Alright. Assuming to myself. That's right. I wouldn't have it any other way. Don't know what the hell this music is. There we go. Awesome. Bit of a delay. Oh well. Can I just bring this down to there? Okay, well, I guess that should be fine. Can't really. Oh, if I do it like this, I can. Okay, so I don't even have to do anything anymore. I can see the chat. I can see the window, OBS window, so we're good. Can't make anything. There we go. Nice. All right. So. That looks alright. Just gotta make sure I'm streaming. Ooh. That's alright. That's a pretty low quality camera, if I'm being honest. Why is that so bad? I have no idea. Anyway. Okay. Cool. So, we'll be beginning pretty much exactly where we left off last time. So this printer, I connected to the laptop through a USB, and then I encountered an error where I had to close the door to get the printer started. That was a problem. And this is the little unit. This is the little unit that operates that, and specifically this little thing right on the end here. There we go, that little thing there. So apparently it's like a Hall sensor, or it detects like a magnetic field. And so yeah, I put it on a magnet, and then it worked. But the problem is, I put it like directly on the metal of a magnet, shorting it. And I realized something was wrong when the when it started smoking. So it's dead. It's ruined. I broke the circuit board. It does have a really nice little LED that flashes, so that's pretty cool. Maybe the switch still works, but what's completely broken is the sensor for the magnet. It's gone completely. I should have probably tested whether shorting the pins on either side would trick it. But I'll do it now. I'll do that now. Guess that's pretty easy to do. Okay. Yeah, oh, this is some nice music. It's a bit of a brisk, cold morning today, but it should be fine. So this is the entire assembly here. Where's that LED strip? The plug in it, so that we can get like a cool lighting effect. Start a disco early. Look at that. Plug that bad boy in. Okay. Turn on. Just got a power board over here. So this thing has a fan that's kicking on. I don't know if that's going to come through on the microphone. Probably ruined it. Okay, so this little screen is like a control screen. I don't know if I can zoom in. Maybe I can. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Does that work? Okay, never mind. Never mind. I didn't want that to do anything anyway. Okay, well, shame. Sure. We'll leave it as is. Anyway, this is a little touchscreen. You can hear it making little noises. So I connected it to the Wi-Fi. Actived. What the heck? ACTIVED, apparently. I was actived. Right, okay, so what I need to do is see if I can... I'm going to get these magnets out of here. Okay. I'm just going to, along the ends of this little thing...
24/7 online radio.
24/7. I'm going to try and bridge the... or short the pins on either side of this and see if I can trick it into thinking it's the thing is on. Because if that works, then I know I haven't broken anything. But if it doesn't, then I have a second printer I have to disassemble. So we're just going to have to go through that entire process again. Let me see, what is the software called? It's on my desktop. Okay, thank you for not caring. Let's hide everything. There we go, Up Studio. Oh, this is nice. Up Studio. Nope. Okay. Because when I start this, I might actually have to stream it, but I don't know, it's going to be hard. This thing, I cannot with this laptop. Ah, perfect. Okay. Watch it like pause and stutter as I try and load this Up Studio app. The biggest thing is while I'm quiet, if I don't say anything, then the beautiful music can play. Okay, Up Studio's taking its sweet time. Back in a second. Back in a second. Just over here. Not playing my singing monsters. Not playing my I'm not. Oh, here we go. Up Studio just started. Oh my goodness, it's crashed. Because that would be insane. Okay, it's taken over my whole screen. Hopefully the stream still operates. Okay, well, I guess the stream is sort of okay. Ooh. It's struggling. I'm gonna be honest, it is struggling. The doggo is barking for some stupid reason. Well, probably not stupid reason, just a reason. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do now is load a creation. I want you to print me just a cylinder. Just print me a cylinder, please. Actually, no. Just print me. Okay, I'm gonna try and get it to just print me like a cone. I love cones. Can I scale this? Just make it a little bit smaller. Here we go. I'll just change the radius and the height of the cone. 25. 25 mil by 50 mil. Okay. Cool. And print. So now I'm sending the command through the USB to print. And it's gonna go, oh, I can't do that for you, sir. My door is open. I can't do it. Oh my goodness, calm down, dog. I literally can't even control any of that. Okay. Review. I've set the print settings. Why aren't you happy? Print. Print, damn you, print. Long. I don't know why she's barking so much. It's ridiculous. Print. Oh, it's slicing it. Okay. Anyway, so I've got a pair of tweezers here. There we go. I don't know where the camera is. That I'm just gonna put them on the 2 points and see if I can spoof it. Because if I can do that, well, I don't even have anything to heat it up. So I'm just gonna stare at it blankly. To be honest, that's my answer. Okay, exit preview. Thank you. I want to print this. Printer is not initialized. Okay. How do I do that? Initialize printer. Oh my goodness. Here we go. There's the LEDs are on. Cool. So what I'll do is I'll print. Since now, after it's initialized, it's happy. Oh my goodness. I just have to be ready to press cancel on this instantly, or turn it off. So it's going to be heating up now. It's going to slice the print, then it's going to heat up. And then I don't know. I don't know what this is. Little thing here. Turntable or thing. Blows air maybe? Yeah, I think it's a little air thingy. Or speaker. I just said 1,000 different words. Okay. Alright. Print job paused. Well, don't do that. Are you heating up? It's not heating up. Okay, press play. Please close the front door. Here we go. So, I'm just going to try and bridge. I'm not going to be able to do that forever. I need to... Hold on. Okay, music changed. Oh, this LED strip is going to make me go insane. Okay, guess we're just gonna have to plug the full thing in. Hold on. I don't know how to detect the front door was shut before. Just magnetically? Okay, well, crap. Stop the current print. Turn that off. Now we're going to have to get this running. Gah! Gah! I don't like the CellUV strip. Only causes problems. Only problems. So, oops, put that over there. I have a Alakazam, a second 3D printer with a working switch. I think it's working. So after I shorted this one, I should be able to take that one out and fix it. So basically, I'm just doing the same stream twice. Because I have no originality or individual thought. I mean, it was an absolute hit once, so why not do it again? The cool thing though, I don't know if this screen is like an independent little unit. If I can use this screen in another device, I can take the components of this printer, or and then rewire, put a new brain in it, make a custom printer head. Apparently, I don't know what I'm gonna have to do with those wires. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be so long, and turn this into like a custom printer, whereas that one is closer to the original with the print head and the guts. But I have to undo this thing. I have to take all this trash. Have I already done the bottom? Yeah, I did. This guy. You know, he's got something to him. He's pretty cool. He's got that spunk. He's got that something, if you know what I'm saying. Talking about my previous self. Pretty good guy. Not really. So very self-serving. Where can I put this? This headphone cable is going to go insane. I have to put it over the top of this. Hey, there you go. Sick. This is a little clip that held a bunch of the things together. And I'm wondering if I can get the metal out of this and use it on something else. Oh, interesting. There we go. Hope I don't break my tweezers. Cool. I don't know. This is like a weird magnesium zinc alloy thing. It's pretty hard. It doesn't scratch. I don't know what that is. That's a piece of plastic. Go away. I don't care for you. I don't know you, and I don't want to know you. I don't know you, and I don't want to know you. Inside this bad boy is so many freaking stepper motors. You got no idea. This is my pile of screws. I had them in nicely sorted, but I have decided against that. Sorting screws is for quitters. Sorting the screws is for quitters. Screw head's too big. There we go. Maybe if I had like individual screws. These printers are notorious for a couple things. The what am I trying to say? The motor. So this was here. Does that line up with? Okay, that doesn't line up with any of the magnets, so I don't know why that's there. Nice. Okay. Let's top on any of the magnets. Okay, I suppose the top one lines up. And the bottom one also lines up. So that was the screws that magnetized and held the doors shut. Open this bad boy up. Oh yeah. We have to do the other side. Yes. Huh. You can call me a professional with how many of these I've disassembled. Okay, so yeah. Some of these screws have smaller heads compared to the others. Some just have larger heads. Oh! Ah well, that's sacrifice. Sacrifice. Sacrifice to the printer god. He's a false god. So why is it so low quality? I'm like, that's just the vibe, big doll. That's just the vibe. I hope my microphone's fine. It's not peaking too much. I have to drop it down a bit. Let's see. Might as well. So I'll drop the music down. And I'll drop the microphone down. Cool. There we go. There we go. Okay. Making sure it picks it up. I'm not insane, I'm just careful. But once we get this out and put it in the other printer, then it should work. I just need to figure out whether is it just holding a magnet near it, then it senses it's shot. If so, why did they choose such an expensive option? These printers are marketed for printing ABS quite reliably, or quite aggressively, quite well. I'm not sure exactly what I should say, but that's why they have the doors and the shut. That's why they can shut and everything. But I don't really want to print in that. I want to print in like PETG or PLA mostly. The frame's bent somehow. Okay, so this one doesn't have the printer head in here. And you can see it because the top's gone. So in here is where the printer head would sit, right here, where my fist is. And then to the left and right are some smaller screws that I have to take out so I can take this handle off. And then eventually disassemble the whole thing. Oh, I have to take those screws out as well. There's screws against the wall in here. I need to somehow set up multiple camera angles. That could be cool. If I have to figure out a way to do that, I need a big USB dock though. And a couple mounts. I need to 3D print some mounts. So until I fix the 3D printer, the first 3D printer will only have one camera angle. And then later on we'll put multiple in. Another one that I can move around and sort of show into the center of everything. I think the top camera's shifting around a lot less as well. I noticed that in the last stream. Made me seasick. Unto my dying breath, I will recount the tale of Lefty Loosey, Righty Tighty. They say, "Oh, you're a grown man. Why don't you just remember exactly how the directions of the screw goes?" And I'm like, I am. Some people go clockwise, counterclockwise. I just go lefty loosey, righty tighty. Plan. It's like music. I could put this on in like a doctor's office or anything. That'd be sick. Okay. So now there's two little screws up in here that hold a little aluminium stopper. Can I unscrew that? Yeah, I can. I thought that was going to give me trouble. Apparently not. Can I get the other one? Oh, yes. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You know it. Okay, now just take it out. Okay, here we go. These two, they were blocking the thing from opening. Put them there. Almost just killed myself. Okay. Take that off. This is just the handle. The handle. The handle. The handle. And with that off, aha. Okay. Alright. Thank you. I'm just where all the trash is coming out. My floor is just littered over there. Okay, so over here is the on switch. How does that work? So it just sits near it, and the bottom magnet just gets near it, and then it detects it's on. Oh well. Okay. So we're just gonna take this unit out. This, and all I have to do is put a magnet near it, and then it detects the door shut. Or it thinks it does, because it's stupid. Look at this. Look at this failed through. Let's laugh at this 3D print. Ha 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 ha. This funny little, oh, I'm environmentally friendly kind of a looking 3D print thing. You know, maybe he 3D printed it for his daughter. I'm just being a terrible person. That's completely viable. That's a viable option. Answer. Okay. I don't know which one's the... I'm just gonna... You know what? Put this over here so that I don't mess them up. I know which one's the right one. But the answer is... The problem is... Or my solution is... Do not allow bare metal to touch this thing. Because it's short. Figured that out the hard way. Okay. Hey, now you calm down now. Got blues. Need to put it against it. I want to sticky tape it so I don't have to worry about it. But like technically, if I short either side of this, oh, the other one looks way different. I don't know. Okay, I need to find some sticky tape to tape a magnet to it so that I don't have to worry about that anymore. So, I'm going to be back in a second. Quick stream break. Listen to that smooth jazz. And you get a little smart face. My laptop is bulging for some reason. Say, while I go get some sticky tape. There we go. No, you wait right there now. Sticky tape. I return. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Here you go. Alright, got some sticky tape. So, what we're gonna do... Oh, we heard this song last night. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna tape... up there. I'm gonna tape onto the end of this one of these magnets. But I need to put something in between them.
You are
Like-
listening to 24/7 online radio.
Okay. Plastic. Oh, I've got a cotton thing here. I don't know if that's cotton. I got a cotton swab. Cotton swab. But it might heat up, so I don't want a cotton swab. I need a piece of cardboard or a piece of plastic. Ah, here we go. No, but that's too big. I need to be able to just move it around. Cardboard, piece of plastic. Piece of cardboard, piece of plastic. Piece of plastic? Plastic. I've got all this random trash, but I can't find what I need. This vexes me. Oh, one sec. I think I found it. Right. Bloody hell, I've hit my toe. Scratched my foot now. Anyway, okay. Disregard the meat cleaver, but regard the plastic on the inside that we're going to use. Oh, this cardboard. Look at that. It even comes with a little thing. Now I need something to open it. I have knives. Get down. Get down. That didn't even do anything. Oh, yes. Give me. Did I just cut my thumb? I almost just filleted my thumb. Can the camera focus? I almost just filleted my thumb with this meat cleaver. Where's my skin? Give it back. Oh, that was almost a very, very bad idea. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. How does it do cutting the plastic? It's alright. Everything in my body is, every fiber in my body is stopping me from smacking this into the. I hope YouTube doesn't get angry at this. It's literally a kitchen. It's a kitchen utensil. Okay, it's a kitchen utensil. There is so much worse on YouTube. Well, I think I'm so underground and small that nothing will probably happen. People have guns. People literally show guns on YouTube. I don't know what they're talking about. Anyway, we have plastic. So, let me cut a square out of this. This. That. And fell down. What we want to do is tape the magnet onto this side. That. Put the magnet here. Like this. Oh. Like this. There's a dog outside that wants to get into my room. Oh. One sec. Dog stream. Daisy! Come on, go! Go! There we go! Come on, Daisy, go here! There you go. Say hello to the camera. Sit, sit, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Don't stand on your sharp things. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Look at the camera. Look up. Look up here. Come here. Daisy, up here. Up here. Look up. Look up. Look. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Off the desk. Off the desk. Whoa. Whoa, Adam. Oh, sorry, baby. I love you. I love you. Good job. Good girl. I love you. Sit. Stay. At your spot. Sit. Okay. Dog stream over. We just had the featuring Daisy, featuring Miracle Guest. She's just going to be in the back. Lady! What's up, Bucky? No, Bucky. No, Bucky. Okay. Right. So, take the magnet to this side. Very, very shoddy craftsmanship, not gonna lie. And then I just take this one to the other side. You back up. We back online. Oh yeah, we're back online. Ha! Easy. No problem. Yeah, so that's it. Just wait and good things will arrive. Okay, skip that down again. Okay. This is not, is Scotch tape conductive? It's plastic. It can't be. There's no way. Maybe it's what's the word? Static. Is Scotch tape conductive? It is conductive. Oh. Oh, well, it's made of plastic, so it's a poor conductor. It's not a fully sealed conductor, but it's a poor conductor. There we go. Okay. I don't need to buy special tape. She'll be right, mate. She'll be right. Perfect. Okay, so in the intermediate break, what I did was tape that to the magnet on the other side. We're all about quality engineering here. And now I just insert this to here. As they say, contacts down. See how great. Can my music start again? I loved it. It was so nice. Come on. Let me refresh. The deafening silences. Terrifying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do-do-do-do. Okay. All right. Interesting. Let's move this out of the way. Bring this to the forefront of attention. There. Switch it on. That. And then it says USB connected. Now I just sort of control it from the computer. Let me see if it detects that the door's open or shut. First, let's realign the printer or initialize it. Insane. Okay. And then hold on, there's a maintenance tab. Okay. Print. Let's see if I'll start. Saw my magnets. It's currently slicing the print into pieces. So see how it looks. My magnets. They're pretty strong. They must be neodymium little rare earth magnets, because even through my fingers like that, it can hold. Pretty strong. Can I do it through my hand? Well, a little bit. Hold on. Okay. There you go, I can move it through my hand. I've got pretty thick hands. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's printing. Oh, okay. It did it. It thinks the door is the door shut. Yeah, it thinks the door's shut. I win. We win. We win these. Easy. Is it starting? Or is it heating up? Oh shoot, calm down. OBS is not happy at the moment. Ow. Okay, whatever. Why is OBS unhappy? Weird, my PC's wife, my little laptop, poor little laptop's Wi-Fi died for a second. Yeah, I think we're back. Yeah. Ugh, gross. I do not have enough. It's not receiving enough to enable a smooth. Okay, cool. Nice. So what is it doing at the moment? What are you doing? It's printing. Is it heating up? It's just sitting there. What are you doing? Stop. Okay. Well, that's very annoying. Alright, we're gonna see whether or not it automatically levels. I'm kind of worried. Okay, wow, look at that. It's got a little contact thing. That's cool. But, okay. Sure. Confirm. I'm actually gonna have to disconnect it from the USB. Freeze my printer. Oh no, maybe it's in the settings here. Freaking top of this thing is so annoying. I'm just going to tape it so that it glides easier over the edge of the desk. Because at the moment what's happening is it's like getting caught. I'm going insane. I'm actually going insane. I just need it to not get caught. And why is this sticky tape so good on everything else in the entire history of the universe, but then it's terrible on the bottom of this cable? No sense. Makes no sense. What do you mean no print is found? It's connected. There it is. Printer connected. Hey, there we go. I want it to heat up first. I want it to show me it's doing something. Hey. It's like dragging herself around on the carpet. Can I not tell it to like... Okay. Boom. That's the printer I want. That one. Our problems are slowly going away. So now it's connected to the printer again. Oh, this thing. There we go. Oh yes, problem solved. Okay. But okay, let me just do something. I'm just gonna undo this, and I want to tell this printer to preheat itself. Okay, it says it's happy. Oops. Config. Preheat on. Okay. Okay. I just wanted to do something. USB connected. Your line. Okay. What is this thing? There's a thing on the bottom of this, and I don't know what it is. Okay, align. Almost. Okay, now print. Calm down. I'm printing. Damn it, I'm printing. Okay, I mean I did that before, but you can do it again. No RAF, no support. I was just trying to leave. Daisy, just go. You out? big dog. Okay. What are my options? Advanced print. What is advanced print? Oh, no. Okay. I guess that's fine. Print. Alright, baby. So it's slicing it into layers again. Now it's going to oh, it's a poor computer. I hope it just because the problem is it's not heating up. It's not preheating. Maybe it then has to send all the data over. Oh, it's sending the data. Oh, but that happens in like 5 seconds. Okay. So it's like 41 minutes to print. It's going to take 8 grams of material. That's not very fast. Oh, we're heating up. Oh, we're heating up. 31.5, 31.7, 31.8, 31.9 degrees, 32. Holy moly. That's insane right now, dude. We're going, this is ballistic. We're at 32 degrees Celsius. Almost 33. 33 degrees, sir, that's crazy. This thing needs to get up to like 250. I don't know what material this is. I think it's ABS because it's smelly. When it heats up before. Okay, this is gonna take an absolute year. Well, what I can do is maybe shift it to the side. There. Or maybe I'll put it over. Yeah. Okay. Put it over here. That. Okay. Sit. Then this one, we'll start disassembling this printer while it's heating up. Dude, it heated up like 15 times as fast last time. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know. 37 degrees Celsius. Okay. It's like random stuff in here. So what I want to do with this one is maybe disassemble this one completely. Take out the computer, keep the power supply. I don't know, I want to run direct cables to the stepper motors so I can control them. So get it in the same condition as that one over there. Alright, we'll do that. Wait, hold on. I've already undone those screws. Why is it not coming up? I need to undo more. We need more space, damn it. We're at 39 degrees Celsius, baby. That's crazy. That's insane. My meat cleaver is taking up the space I normally use. Okay. All the screws are messed up. They're all together now. You know what? It's like one big happy family. We just put everything together in a mix, you know? 10-day pop. 40 degrees Celsius. We're now we're bloody cooking with gas. Yeah, we're cooking with gas. to stab myself in the gut. So I'm going to take this all off. I can't run it with that sensor or anything. Otherwise, it's, yeah, so I'm just going to have to undo the screen and take everything apart. And then get it like an Arduino. Maybe? I don't know how they work. But then you also need stepper motor controllers. Which... Oof. I'm not smart enough for that stuff yet. I'm gonna have to Google it online and find out. I'm gonna have to Amazon. We need a shopping list. Put it on the somewhere. Amazon shopping list. Good stuff. Might undo. Oh, there we go. That's the screw nipple. I might just take all the plastic off this one and then just have a look and see how it looks on the inside. Are they tied together somehow? I do not know. Oh, okay, they come with. Nice. Oh, we're doing this again. Oh my goodness, this one has so much more attached to the back of it. What? This one's got like a whole friggin' array of cables. Ooh, it might be easier. Okay. Okay. Oh, and that just... Oh, but that's from before. So this can come out. There we go. Oh! Nice. 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 Just trying to take the vehicle. Yeah. There you go, LED strip number 2, which is completely different. Makes me think the second printer was worked on and made custom. Actually, this printer is custom. And it's got an SD card. This printer is different. This one different. There's the old thing that I burnt out. It melted. Okay, there's a tiny little chip there, which, along with how close can I get that to the camera? Never mind. Okay. But along with melting or burning out, it moved its contact points, so I'd have to resolder that. And my soldering iron is not here. It's far away in a distant land. We're up to 43 degrees on this bad boy. Let me tell you what. Why is that taking so damn long? Why on earth are you taking so long to heat up? What? It did it really quick last time. It went real fast a little while before. Okay, we're just going to stop this trash. And turn off a couple settings. Okay, hold on. Yep. Take that trash out. And try and start it from here, I guess. See if... Because the cable is taking an age. Print, baby, print. There we go. See if it heats up. Oh, it's quick. Damn. Damn. No, that's broken. I don't know why that's like that. Turn preheat off. I suppose. It's something to do with this friggin' software. It's not sending the correct information, or like how much wattage it requires to update, to heat up. There you go, the on and off switch works. This is beautiful music, by the way. Ow, bloody hell, I hurt my finger. Yes, this printer has been heavily customized. I don't actually know if, I don't know what to do here. It's got an SD card on it. I don't know if I can read an SD card. I can read a big one, I think. Well, let me see. Yeah, I think I can put a big SD card in, but I don't have room for a small one. Oh, well, that's a bit of a shame.
You are listening to 24/7
Okay.
online radio.
Yes, ma'am. So this is like a whole custom thing that's been put in. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, it just flips up like that. That's nice. Okay. Well. Huh. Right. DCC ground. This is power to the of these two. This has got to be power to the It's very annoying. This one is power to the CPU and everything. And this one here is power to the motors, I think. This one. Because this is just a row of 5 volt. The ground and E negative and a 0 volt. I do not know enough about this to figure it out. I like all the little, I like all the little shapes in it. It look like a little buildings. I like the little shapes and downs. They look so cute, like little buildings. Let's see how this thing goes. Print, please. No, the printer is connected. You're just being problematic. I don't know what this thing is. It's weird. Yeah, the printer is connected. Initialize that bad boy. Okay. Then it reinitializes when I press the print button anyway, so. That's Daisy. She borkin. Print, damn you, print. We've run into a technical error called a slow as heck CPU. Give him a little time. He's just, you know, he's just working up. He's a bit shy. He's shy. Quality. Fast. They don't give me advanced print options or anything. Or generate. You know what? Just print it. Just print it. I just need you to heat up. I don't know why it takes so long to heat up. Also, how is preheat an option or not? If you're not preheating, how do you print? It makes no sense. Oh, it's heating the bed up. That's why it's taking so long. It heats the bed? It heats the bed first, and then that's going to take like a literal year. And then it's going to heat the actual top. Okay, sure. Alright, well... okay. We'll just leave it. Keep an eye on it. Literally before, it was taking... Okay, I can feel the bed getting warmer. But when I first started it up, it told me the bed was at 600 degrees. I was like, buddy, what? Okay, we're gonna fully disassemble this one, I think. And it's a new set. So whoever did this, I'm just disassembling it again. And there's no printer head. But I want a bigger printer, so I'm gonna take all of this out. All of it out. But I've got a printed frame, so I'll just install my own one at some point. Now that I've already got all the servers and stuff, so why don't all the step motors? We're at 36 degrees on the bed, ladies and gentlemen. We're doing well. And tonight, it's only problems. I only want problems. I'm just trying to figure out which screws I have to actually like unscrew to detach this friggin' thing from the base. And it looks like it's every single one. That's the answer there. Well, that doggo is just going ballistic right now. We're at 38 degrees C on the bed. Nice and warm. I'm hoping for a little bit of thermal runaway, which means... Oh, this is slowly sinking down. I don't want that. Okay, well. I'm looking for a little bit of thermal runaway, which will make sure that it heats up quicker. So at the moment it's like all controlled and stuff. That's done. Daisy! Stop barking! Why is she barking? Hold on, 1 second. Daisy! What are you doing? Stop barking and run after them. Go, get him, go. Get him, go. I'm not joking. She's literally barking at nothing. Like there's literally nothing in front of her where she's barking. She's just barking. Insane. Oh, I'm removing a cover off the back. That's nice. What is this? Yeah, well, that's pretty solidly. Oh, look, it's got a little. What's that? Oh, these wires and stuff. Oh, look it. Oh, I love when they put all the little wires through. So I've just taken off the cover. I haven't actually. Oh no, I had to do that. And then this thing is also mounted to the base. I don't like this plastic base. Okay, we're taking it apart. We're taking it apart. I just don't know how to get that. There we go. Oh, it's got a little 3D printed part. And then this exists to displease me. Maybe I could just slide it out. Oh yeah. We're at 41 degrees on the bed temp. Looking good. There we go. Slide that. There we go. I'm gonna take that off. It's the plate. It goes over the power supply and stuff. That's a fan down there. I can see it. Can I spin it? Yes, I can. Okay. So much. It's all these complex things. All these little wires and things and stuff. They look like little buildings. It's a washer and washer. Very expensive. My foot is almost bleeding from where I knocked it on the plastic. There we go. Another ground, which is the second one. It's like tied to the circuitry and then onto the well, it's not a second one, it's only one, but then tied onto this board, which I'd probably keep it tied. No, I have to take it. Which makes no sense. If you're screwing through the board, through a wire, into, but you're probably screwing into plastic, so I guess that's why. All these decisions make no sense. And that, no. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Take this off here. Okay. Well, let me just unplug everything. Let me take a picture and then let me unplug everything. There we go. Now that I've taken a picture, I can remove more of it and then just be like, oh yeah, no, I know where everything goes. It's alright. Oh, but it's all color coded anyway. Mini 2 ES Linux. Are they running this printer on Linux? We're at 44 degrees Celsius on the build plate. Looking good. Working hard, hardly working. So I don't know if this is the brains of it, but that's an Arduino. So this is this thing has already been kept up and changed. Which means maybe what I can do is can I pick it up? No. Oh, that's connected to that. Can I have to take this thing off. Slowly rotate it down. Undo these. I can't undo those. That's because they are hex. Luckily, I have a ski right now. Okay, well, why do you make everything else like a standard, and then these ones are the weird ones? I don't have a hex key in the right size. I do in my other thing. Why did I do it like that? That's so cringe. I do have a hex key here, although I don't have the bit for it. Problem solved. Okay, well that's annoying. Okay. Oh, maybe one of my torque drives will work. Because this is a little known secret. If you have a hex key, if you have a hex that you can't undo, funny enough, torque drives work. They can fit in the same hole. You just have to be a little bit careful. Because it's only the points of them in the hex. Look at that. Yeah, okay. Good job. Thought you could outsmart me. Outsmart the smartest smarty pants. No. I don't know why these aren't actually like falling out. They're just sort of sitting there. Okay, well, that one's about to come in. Where's my maker? There we go. The smartest things in the room, but so it's like working against itself. We're at 45 degrees Celsius. Holy moly. Why is that struggling so much? I do not know. But that's not good. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. These screws are like barely magnetic. Like they choose to be magnetic on a Saturday. Must be a magnesium thing. Again. Okay. And this does not just easily come out. Okay. If I can just pull that out. Huzzah! Okay. This should at some point just route those wires through there. Aha! There we go. Check that out. Perfect. Okay. Oh yes. And this is this fan here. Alright, I'm gonna take that off. I don't see any screws for it even. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's like a little flip bit. What is this? I don't know what this is. This just blows air up, I assume. No, it blows air out. It sucks air in and blows it out. It's a vent? It's like a vent thing. We're at 46 degrees Celsius. Now we're bloody cooking with gas. Oops. Okay. Oh, it's a little blow fan. Look at that. Look at that. Squirrel cage fan thing. Just chuck 24 volts into it and it'll go. And then get all the cables. Look at that. All the cables. I'm gonna put all this other tracking equipment back together because I don't care for it. Ah. 46 degrees. Slow down. What's that? I just had a notification. I don't understand. Is that coming from the radio? Weird. Yes, it has to be coming from the radio. It's in time with the music. We're at 46 degrees. She's down, but slightly. Actually, come on, where is that noise coming from? I don't know if it's coming through the thing. Okay. I don't know why it beeped at me. Okay, now it's heating the nozzle. Okay, so it got the bed to 47 degrees. Good boy. Now it's heating the nozzle. They could have done that at the same time. That's ridiculous. This is a little purpose-made like circuit board. Just plug into there. I think I could probably reuse this in a whole 3D printer. And then that, where's these controls? These are controlled here. So the three motors are controlled here, the X, Y, and Z axes. X, Y, and Z. Oh, cool! Okay, I'm just going to use this to build another 3D printer with these motors. Although I might have to extend these cables. Easy. Cool. Ja, das ist sehr gut. That's the limit switch there. Squirrel cage fan. I might use that and then use 3D printer. I don't know what for though. Like a whole system ducted thing. Alright, we're almost at temperature here, 250. Here it beep. There we go. Let's see if it prints. So I've got a little bit of filament sticking up the back of it here. Oh shoot, calm down. Okay. Oh, stop. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. It's so dumb. It runs the nozzle into the friggin' ground. That just annoys me so much. Hold on, let me change the calibration. Okay. So the problem... yeah, let's just make a printer that runs its own nozzle into the ground. Yeah, let's do that. That's a great plan. All right, well. It's heating up again. It's ridiculous. Okay, see what it prints. Heating up the bed. I think the bed gets to 47 apparently. I don't know whether it's loaded with PLA or ABS, but I know it's cranky.
You are listening to 24/7 online radio.
Yep. Yep. My magnet is over there. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Okay, well, I guess I'll just run it off printing. I don't really have much more I can necessarily do today. But I will probably stream later tonight. So, until then, this is Joker signing. We'll continue this journey later.